We're putting on a Zoom exhaust today, and part of that is putting in a different ECU. Got one that is flashed by DHM Racing. This guy here. Let's see if I can pull the focus. Maybe not. That's all right. And we need to put that in. Since I have an intake and an exhaust, tuning's really recommended to avoid going too lean at high RPM and getting too hot and blowing up your engine or anything like that. So we're going to slap this in. Should be pretty quick and easy. Factory service manual has you take off the entire side, and I'm not going to do that. We're going to do it the cheater way. And just take off the side panel here. And then we're looking for that there. Let's get in closer. So the guy we're looking for is behind, in this little rubber mount, behind this big, well, part of this big bundle of wires. So if you pull off this side, you can actually slide this mount out, and it might be a little easier from a struggle perspective, but this isn't too bad either. So what we're gonna do is very gently grab and sort of just wiggle that out of there. There we go. So here's our factory one. Next we take this and pull this guy out, and very carefully, keeping track of which side goes where, put our new one in just like it was, I don't know, Game Boy, Super Nintendo, regular Nintendo, whatever. And then we're going to slide this back up in here. What I did that's really easy is just a tiny, tiny, tiny amount of like Windex on the inside of that rubber seal, and it'll slide right back in. Don't put too much or else it's going to be a bad time. So we're going to do that. When I say tiny amount, I mean tiny amount. Oh, cool. There's an airplane going by. Thanks, airplane. Okay. And we should be good to go and pop our side panel back on. That's all there is to it. It's really super easy. Let's talk real quick about why you want to do this though. This little guy controls your ignition timing and your your fuel injection. And you want to make sure that you're getting, now that we've updated the intake to get more air in and the exhaust to get more air out, we want to make sure we're adding enough fuel in there. And the changes that were made on this one, so this was done by DHM, well, that one, since I just put it in, the changes that were done to that one is just basically adding in more fuel and adjusting the timing map to make sure that we're safe, as well as making a little bit more power. Now that I have it in though, it'll take probably 10 or 15 miles before the ECU fully adapts to all throttle positions and adapts fuel trims. But after that, should be pretty plug and play. If you're wanting to see the exhaust that I'm working on, that'll be the next video. This is kind of the prequel, if you will. And I will see you in that one as we start tearing this old pipe off. Bye.